Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today let's see a very famous appetizer dish and kids favorite dish, chicken lollipop recipe. This crispy and juicy chicken lollipops are very easy to prepare at home. This delicious starter recipe is made with chicken wings and it's an all-time favorite of both grown-ups and kids. So let's get started with the recipe. I have taken half kg of chicken wings. Clean and wash the chicken wings with water perfectly and drain the water completely. From each chicken wing, we can shape it to 2 chicken lollipops. Let us see now how to make it to lollipop shape. To start with, slice the chicken wing into 3 parts. First, let's slice the wing tip. No need to discard this wing tip. We can use this for preparing chicken broth, chicken stock, or in the preparation of chicken soup. Now, let's slice the wing into 2 parts. Now you can see out of the 2 parts, one part of the chicken wing is bigger with single bone and the other smaller part with 2 bones. Let's start by selecting the part with 1 bone. By sliding the knife, try to separate the meat from the bone. Now push all the meat to one end of the bone. Now just invert the meat so a lollipop shape is formed. Then in the second bone piece, first let's detach the smaller bone by slightly rotating and pulling it out, and do the same by pushing all the meat to one end of the bone. And now we have 2 chicken lollipop shapes from 1 chicken wing, and do the same for the other chicken wings and keep the chicken lollipop pieces ready. Now let's marinate our chicken lollipops. First goes in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Coat the chicken lollipops well with the marinade and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. Meanwhile, let's prepare the batter for coating. In a bowl, let's add 2 tablespoons of maida flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, half teaspoon of red chili powder and half teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Addition of rice flour gives a nice crunchy taste to our chicken lollipops. Next, crack 1 egg and transfer to the bowl and squeeze in few drops of lemon juice. Mix well and gradually add little water until a thick batter is formed. I have used Kashmiri red chili powder for bright red color. It's best not to add any food color and eat it with a natural golden color. The batter should be in this thick consistency. Now let's dip the marinated chicken lollipops on the batter. It's ready to get fried. Let's heat oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, let's deep fry the chicken lollipops in medium heat. Keep frying the chicken lollipops over medium heat at the beginning and simmer the flame until the chicken lollipops are cooked crispy and thoroughly on all the sides. This will take some 5 to 6 minutes. Now you can see the outer part of the chicken lollipop is crispy and golden, so we can remove it from oil and drain it in a kitchen tissue. Our crispy, hot and juicy chicken lollipops are ready. Repeat the same for the other chicken lollipops also and fry it in batches. Enjoy the yummy chicken lollipops with tomato ketchup or any favorite dip of your choice. We can cover the tip with the aluminium foil and serve it in restaurant style. Now our super crispy and yummy chicken lollipops are ready. We can enjoy this lollipops as it is, or we can toss it in a spicy chili sauce for more taste. For preparing chili sauce, let's heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan, add finely sliced garlic, then add some sliced onions and toss in high heat for a minute. Fry well and add 2 teaspoons of Szechuan sauce and 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt if needed. Combine the sauces well in medium heat and allow to cook for a minute. Mix 1 teaspoon of corn flour in 2 tablespoons of water to fine paste and add it to the sauces. Keep stirring until the sauce turns to a sticky consistency. Now add the crispy chicken lollipops and toss it in high heat for a minute and turn off the heat. Garnish with freshly chopped spring onions. Our yummy restaurant-style chicken lollipops are ready to enjoy. This recipe is always a big hit in my family and I would love to make it often. It tastes delicious with a combo of tomato ketchup or any favorite dip of your choice. Do try this easy recipe and let me know how it turned out for you in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a single recipe. Until I meet you all with the next easy recipe, stay safe, take care, bye bye.